Welcome to TEC 290 Trip 1. I am Timothy Kingondu, registration number 30-124-19. Here is a report about the 3 sections: planning and design layout, industrial health and safety, and technology for the manufacturing system. Layout planning of the factory involves determining the efficient arrangement of the equipment, machinery, workstation, storage areas, and other resources within a factory space to achieve the efficient production of the products and they reduce the cost of the labor. Factors to consider when setting a factory hall and industry: you must consider the space utilization, flexibility, and workflow and economics. Types of the plant layout include process layout, product layout, fixed position layout, and combination layouts. Design layout. Design layout involves, when you are designing the factory, involves define the problems, determine the available resources and constraints for the design, identify the key features and functions required for designer to fulfill intended purpose, determine the most appropriate technologies or techniques, develop a prototype to test the problems, refine and design based on the feedback and testing, implement and test the final design. Principles of the layout. We have principles of the minimum movement, principle of the space utilization, principle of interdependence, principle of the flexibility, principle of the safety, principle of the smooth flow. Desk is a leading software company that offers a wide range of the tools and software for the designing, engineering, and construction. Reason why the layout design is important in the hot desk: 1 is efficiency, 2 clarity, 3 flexibility, consistency, and optimization. Autodesk offers several tools and software. I use AutoCAD, can be used for the 2D, 3D to design and drafting. 2, you have Revit, building information and modeling. 3, you have Navisworks, is a project review software that can be used for the 3D modeling aggregation. 5, you have factory design utility, that is set of the tools used for the factory design. 5, you have Fusion 360, is a cloud-based 3D CAM. Process analysis of the layout involves evaluating and optimizing the various parameters to ensure maximum efficiency and productivity while minimizing the waste and the cost. The process analysis layout in the factory: define the objectives, identify the resources, analyze the flow of the material, identify the workstation and the process, develop alternative layout, evaluate the alternatives, select the optimal layout. Industrial health and the safety. Health and safety refers to the efforts and measures taken to ensure the health and safety of the workers and industrial settings such as factory, construction, and manufacturing plants. Key components in industrial and the safety: hazard management and assessment, that involves the potential hazard, risk, and pose of the workers. Others include physical, chemical, biological, economics, and the safety. Risk management, that have been identified and assessed, and appropriate measures can be taken to manage and reduce the risk they pose. Occupational health involves monitoring and addressing the health workers. That includes providing medical examination and monitoring workers for the sign of the occupational illness. Emergence of the preparedness. It requires planning and preparations for the emergencies such as fires, natural disasters, and chemical spills. Reason for the maintaining and promoting good work standards of the health and safety, protecting workers, protecting equipments, legal compliance, improve moral cost saving, steps controlled workplace hazards, design or reorganize to eliminate hazards, substitute the hazards with something safer, isolate the hazards from the people, use engineering control, use administrative control, use personal protective equipment. Fire safety. You must ensure where there is exit, fire alarm, fire assembly, and fire extinguishers. Any person discovering there's a fire, sound the alarms, store manager to all the breakers. On the hearing the alarm, leave the building by the fire exit route, close all the doors behind you, and report to the assembly point. Technology for the manufacturing system. There are several technologies that are commonly used in modern manufacturing systems to improve efficiency, accuracy, and production. Technology includes automation, involves the use of machines and robots to perform tasks and previously done by human beings. 2, you have computer-aided design. It is software used to design and model the product, part and components in the digital format. 3, you have computer numerical control machines. Numerical control machines are computer-controlled tools that perform the precise and complex operation, a variety of the material. Additive manufacturing in 3D printing. Additive manufacturing involves the use of the 3D printers to create the product and components layers by the layers. This technology can be used to create the prototypes, small batches of the costumes, products, and the replacement of the parts. 5, you have Internet of the Things and Industrial Internet of the Things. This involves the use of the sensors and connected devices to gather and share the data in the real time. Technology can be used to monitor production process, track inventory levels, and optimize the supply of the chain management. 6, we have artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can be used to analyze the data, predict the outcomes, and automated decision-making process. These technologies used to improve the efficiency, accuracy, reduce the cost, and perform the work with its effectiveness. Reason for the idle time into the technology manufacturing. Machine can be breakdown, material shortage, the tools can be changed over, maintenance, and waiting for the inspections of the tools and the workers, waiting for the operators, process of the optimization. Real-time web display in technologies. It is essential tools that helps the manufacturers to monitor and control their product process. Some of the key features of the real-time web display: real-time monitoring, data visualization, predict maintenance, remote access, customer alerts, integration with the systems. The real-time web display is a powerful technology for the manufacturing system that provides the real-time visibility into the production process, enabling the managers and operators to make informed decisions and improve the efficiency.